How do you raise the next generation of leaders? Inspiring them each and every day to broaden their horizon. And we have a few tips we've learned through experience. Let your children know you believe in them. Teach them music. Children who study music score 33% higher on reading and math, regardless of socioeconomic status. No frilly clothes because messy is good, as long as it's not at your house. Give them the tools to succeed. And positive role models to look up to. Help them to overcome fears like stage fright. Give them your full attention and a place to shine bright. If you think about it, your child has the rest of their academic life to attend regular school and sit behind a desk with 25 to 35 kids in each class, right? Why not choose an unforgettable, personal, and amazing arts-based academic environment for preschool with low teacher-to-child ratios? Inspire your children daily. Set them up for success. We can't wait for your child to join us. See you soon.